You want to know what the greatest sound in the world is? They say it's... But it's not. It's this. A Wyze vacuum. A Wyze cordless vacuum with a brushless digital motor. 150 air watts of raw suction power. 4 attachments, an LED display, 6 brush headlights, an easy-to-empty and washable dustbin, a removable battery that provides up to 50 minutes of cleaning time. The most amazing vacuum ever made. Beautifully crafted for the sole purpose of gracing your ears with this. That is the greatest sound in the world. You're cute too, though.
Now see the difference with Tineco Pure One S12, the smart cordless vacuum cleaner. From a functional device to an intelligent one, Pure One S12 has pioneered vacuum technology and solved consumer pain points for most vacuum cleaners, allowing for smarter, deeper, quieter, and longer cleans.
The first time I met Pure One S12, and I'm absolutely hooked. It's so well designed, chic, and techy. The materials are solid too. It feels pretty handy. The suction power is awesome, and the battery is so impressive too. The AI-powered technology really makes cleaning a no-brainer. Strange as it may seem, I think I started to enjoy vacuuming with the Pure One S12.
Smart vacuum cleaners are the future trends for all households. With only one trigger to activate, Pure One S12 requires an easy and convenient setup.
It's truly a blessing to see a smart cordless vacuum cleaner with so many good features. What matters the most for a working mom like me is that it's easy and convenient and really helpful. And Pure One does the job. I only need to push the trigger and everything else is on him. Leaves no trouble behind. It's also a lot quieter than any other vacuum. Pure One has really fascinated me and even my kids. Now cleaning has become a pleasure for my entire family.